Our universe is very strange. There are surprises everywhere. We know very little of this vast universe. Different stars, planets, satellites have now become the destination of people for the purpose of knowing the unknown. Various vehicles are being sent to those addresses. New information is coming for the benefit of those expeditions. But this universe is so vast that it has no corners, no end to know. The sky above our heads is full of billions of wonders. As each of these elements is full of surprises, so are its formations, actions, and effects. Some of these wonderful elements of space will be told in this article. Mysterious radio signal. In 2007, space researchers detected some mysterious radio signals. The reason for the mystery is that those signals were not radio signals from Earth. It was coming from an extraterrestrial star. Since then, researchers have been searching for mysterious radio signals at various times. So far, about 60 radio signals have been detected by astronomers. These ultra-strong, ultra-bright signals last only a few milliseconds, called fast radio bursts. When people on Earth first learned about these signals, they thought they might be signals sent by aliens. However, the mystery is still not solved. But scientists now know that the signals are coming from Proxima Centauri, 4.2 light-years away. According to Scientific American, this signal is of a much narrower frequency than what scientists can observe from man-made devices such as satellites and spacecraft. However, there is much disagreement about the source of this mysterious signal. Some scientists say that this signal is produced by the very fast rotation of a neutron star with a strong magnetic field. According to some, such a signal is coming to Earth from the merger of two neutron stars. However, many have referred to these signals as waves coming from spaceships of alien beings. Since 2019, several countries of the world, including the United States, are continuing research to solve the mystery of extraterrestrial signals. Recently, scientists were able to capture a radio signal that transmitted 6 times in a short period of time. As a result, it is believed that this mystery may be solved soon. Bermuda Triangle in space. Astronauts on the International Space Station suddenly saw a bright flash of light upon arrival at a certain location. Several astronauts have experienced this. However, this phenomenon occurs while passing through the South Atlantic Anomaly, SAA. It is a special magnetic field of the Earth. It ranges from 1,000 to 60,000 kilometers of sky from Chile to Zimbabwe. Our Earth's magnetic field is not aligned everywhere with the Earth's rotation axis. As a result, when the International Space Station passes over this particular part of the Earth, the station's electronic systems are affected and the computers also stop working. Astronauts also see special flashes of light. That's why this place is called the Bermuda Triangle of space. Nuclear pasta. As we know, diamond is the hardest substance found on Earth. But do you know which is the strongest substance in the universe? That is nuclear pasta. Nuclear pasta is formed from the remnants of a dying/neutron star in space. Neutron stars are remnants of the collapse of massive stars heavier than the Sun but not as large as black holes. Before destruction, neutron stars have a mass of 10 to 29 solar masses. And the remnants of such massive neutron stars are nuclear pasta. If you give an example, you will understand how powerful the nuclear pasta created from the neutron star is. It takes 10 billion times more energy to crush a certain amount of steel than it takes to crush the same amount of nuclear pasta. The reason why nuclear pasta is so strong is because of the concentration of substances inside it. It is the hardest substance known to man so far. Oblong red nebula. Different gases are arranged in galaxies in such a way that they have a particular shape. However, among these nebulas, there is a nebula that looks oblong. A nebula with such a geometry is rarely seen. This oblong red nebula is located 2,300 light-years from Earth. The reason behind the formation of such a shape, the scientists put forward, is that there are two stars right in the middle of this nebula. The nebula appears red in color and oblong in shape due to the bright light emitted from these two stars. But some researchers think ultraviolet rays from the two stars mix with the nebula's carbon-rich dust to create the red color. The mysterious neutrino. Neutrinos are electrically charged, less active nuclear particles. These particles interact weakly with electrons and protons. The peculiarity of these particles is that they can move undisturbed through any substance. They do not even perceive the material through which they move. For example, millions of neutrinos are passing through the human body, but people do not feel it. However, scientists have not yet solved the mystery of where these particles come from. However, all scientists agree that these particles are cosmic particles. They believe that these neutrinos can be produced by cosmic events, such as the collision of galaxies or the collapse of a star into a black hole. The IceCube Neutrino Observatory, which has been detecting neutrinos since 2010, has been finding such particles frequently. But in September 2017, they detected a neutrino that could provide clues to the source of the neutrino. By researching this particle, they said that it flowed towards Earth from a supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy 4 billion years ago. In 2015, Japan's Takaaki Kajita and Canada's Arthur B. won the Nobel Prize in Physics for their research on neutrinos. Strange stars. The strangest star in this universe is named KIC 846285. When Louisiana State University astronomer Tabitha Boyasin and her team first discovered the star, everyone was shocked. Because it is a star whose brightness decreases momentarily is what sets it apart from other stars. Relatively brighter than the Sun and located 1,400 light-years away, this star is also called Tabi star. Its brightness sometimes decreases as much as 20%. From this, astronomers infer that there is some material around it that blocks its light from coming out. There are various theories about this star. Some astronomers call it a megastructure made by aliens. According to them, it has orbiting solar panels on its outside, which causes its brightness to dim at times. But modern researchers say, on the outside it is distinguished from other stars by having a dust ring. Infrared flux from space. When a star dies, it is called a neutron star. Such neutron stars emit high-energy radiation or radio waves similar to X-rays. But in September 2018, astronomers observed a long stream of infrared light from a neutron star 800 light-years away. Astronomers have never seen such an event before. According to them, the dust disk surrounding the star is producing such infrared signals. However, its exact explanation is still unknown. Auroras on planet-like objects. Our universe contains some planet-like objects that have been pulled away from their parent stars by gravitational forces. They are floating like other stars. Scientists have recently discovered several such objects. One such 2016 discovery is SIM J01365663 plus 0933473. It is similar in size to the planets we know. Its distance from our Earth is 200 light-years. However, its magnetic field is 200 times greater than Jupiter's magnetic field. It is so powerful that it can create auroras. Its aurora can be seen from Earth through radio telescopes. Hamier ring. Planets that have the same mass as normal planets but are neither planets nor moons, orbit the Sun directly but have not separated the orbits from other objects, are called dwarf planets. Since the International Astronomical Union listed Pluto as a dwarf planet, the current total number of dwarf planets is 5. One such dwarf planet is Haumea, which orbits beyond Neptune in the Kuiper belt. It looks like an egg. It has 2 moons and day length is only 4 hours. As a result, it is the fastest object in the solar system. But even more surprising information emerged when scientists observed it orbiting in front of a star. At that time they saw that this oval dwarf planet has a circular ring around it. Galaxies without dark matter. We can see very little of our universe. All other substances are invisible. But these invisible substances interact with other substances only through gravitational force. As a result, they cannot be detected by any means other than the gravitational force. Dark matter is believed to make up 4/5 of the total mass of the universe. That is, about 85% of the matter in the universe is dark matter. These materials neither emit nor absorb electromagnetic waves. As a result, they cannot be seen directly through binoculars. But are there any galaxies without dark matter? While searching for such galaxies, in 2018, a team of space scientists discovered a strange galaxy with almost no dark matter. Although there is much controversy about their discovery. Electrically charged HYPERION. There may be many strange satellites in space. But among all these, the strangest satellite is Saturn's HYPERION. It looks like a potato. It is easily identified due to its peculiar shape. The Moon is thought to contain more solid ice than rock. It orbits Saturn with a radius greater than that of the Moon Titan. Its orbital is electrically charged. But the surprising thing is that this satellite itself is electrically charged. When NASA's Cassini spacecraft was exploring Saturn from 2004 to 2007, it discovered that Saturn's moon HYPERION is electrically charged. That's all for today. See you in another video. If you enjoyed the video and found it informative, then please like the video and let us know your opinion in the comment box. Never forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon next to it. Share the video if we earn it. Thanks for watching.